Today I'm answering a question that I've been recently asked by one of my followers, and that is, how do I trust myself completely? That is a really great question, so let's get to it. Okay, let me begin by showing you this incredible view that is absolutely breathtaking. I'm out in nature today. And, one second. Okay. And I want to begin by just acknowledging the person who asked this question, because self-trust is difficult. It's something that, you really have to do consciously. And even like a question that is so deep, how do I completely trust myself? That's really powerful. So why is it that we're struggling, first of all, to trust ourselves? Well, basically what happened was, at some point in your childhood, at many points during your childhood, you did not have the cognitive ability to you basically had your ego step in, because you did not have the cognitive ability to protect yourself, to like make sense of certain situations, to consciously guide yourself. So whenever there was like an emotional response, fear or being rejected or feeling alone, your ego stepped in saying, basically, kid, we're never going to feel this again. You don't have to feel this again. I'm going to protect you. And that is when the ego fully took over, or partly took over, and then a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. This is the case in anyway with most of the people that come to me and most of the people that I work with. So how do we trust ourselves fully? And this is something I've struggled as well for a long time. The key with this is listening to yourself, the little hunches that you get, okay? And this is where intuition comes in. I love that this question came up right before the week of the air element, because this is what it's about. It's about connecting to that divine knowledge, tapping into that intuition, to that inner wisdom that you already have, that is just accessible to you anywhere and all the time. So it's following little hunches, and I mean by that, like, if you get a feeling, oh, I should look right, do it. And don't go like, oh, this is stupid. You would seem like, no, I was asking like the bigger picture. It's the little steps that create the big change. So the little things like, I feel like I should take my mug today, even though it's kind of weird and I don't think I really need it. Just take it anyway. Just trust those little hunches that you have. Just when intuition just comes, just trust that when it's easy. Don't ever mind it. And when you keep doing that, more will become accessible. And when you listen to that, inner voice, when you listen to that inner child, that is when change begins to happen. So the way to trust yourself completely is to trust yourself one step at a time, little by little. I hope this helps. Let me know, the person who asked, if this answers your question. And thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to continue my hike. Have a great day.